interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Oh, hello. You've got 1 hour to get the synchrotron back online, or we all die.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Don't move another step. Get inside the sterilization chamber quickly. Don't bring that virus with you, because if you do, we're all doomed. We've all worked so hard, so help join the fight, and together we can beat them. Oh.
None of you will survive if you don't work quickly. We're all going to die. Save us.
Please!
Welcome to my funk. Your end is always coming. Please fix the synchrotron for me. I don't want to live and die.
I've been trying to fix the synchrotron for weeks now, but I can't do it by myself. I need your help. Please help me.
I can't talk for too long. Fix the machine, they will find me.
No! No! The internet's down and we need your help. Engineers, we need you to fix the synchrotron. Come on!